Hi and welcome to my show. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you a quilling mandala pattern. These are the tools. So I'll start by making a basic tight coil with a red color. I used two strips of red color here to make the center. Then I'm going to make more tight coils with blue color this time. And I'm going to press the sides of it to make it an oval shape like this. Now I'm going to glue them on the sides to make a flower. Now I measured this bottle to be exact same size as the flower. So I'm making a ring with the yellow paper. Now I'm going to glue it on the outer side of the flower. Like this. The next pattern will be a teardrop. So I first make a tight coil and then put it on the template to make a loose coil. And then I'll press on one side to give it a teardrop shape. Now I'm just going to glue those orange teardrops outside the flower, and the pointed ends will be outside, facing outside. I've made the same with green color, and now I'm going to point them inside. This is how it looks, so it fills the gap. The next one will be the comb technique. So I put my strip inside any two needles and I'll glue the first round so that it holds. Now every time I will be adding one on the top and one down, extra needle. So this is how it will look. I'm just bending from the middle and it forms something like this. Now I'm going to glue this on top of the orange ones only. The next, again I make a tight coil with red color paper. Again I'll put them inside the template and make it a loose coil. Now I'm going to form the shape of a oval or an eye, and then I'm going to bend it like this to form a S kind of shape. Now with two of these, I'll make this petal-like shape. I'm going to stick them from one blue to the other blue. This is how it will look now. Now I'll cut the yellow strips into half, and with this half strip I'll make tight coils. And I'll glue them between the red petals. Again, I've made the combed technique I've used to make this yellow color, and I'll just glue them this time after bending, and I'll combine these three to form small flowers. Now I'll place them in the intersection of the red petals. So if you know different techniques of quilling, you will be able to do any kind of mandalas. I'm just folding these brown strips, and I'll glue all the strips inside to form a thin layer, and then I'll fold into half and make this into a petal shape like this, or a curved shape. And with the first and last petals of the yellow one, I'll insert them. You can check out my 3D quilling boys which I've made earlier. The links are coming on the top of the screen. It's almost done. I'm just going to add some green shades to highlight. So I've made again tight coils with different shades of green. I'm just going to place them on the pointed ends of the petal. You can go on and on with this as big as you want it to be, but I'll end it here. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you've liked the video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family, and also do comment and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.